Hello and welcome to this section of the course. In this section, we will go over Amazon RDS service. Amazon RDS Introduction. What is Amazon Relational Database Service or RDS? Amazon RDS is a service that simplifies the setup, operations, and scaling of a relational database on AWS. With Amazon RDS, you can spend more time focusing on the application and the schema and let Amazon RDS offload common tasks like backups, patching, scaling, and replication. Amazon RDS provides cost-effective and resizable capacity. Amazon RDS can launch one of many popular database engines that is ready to start taking SQL transactions. With Amazon RDS, you can typically use the same tools to query, analyze, modify, and administer the database.